Hello guys, welcome to Fun Tech for Days, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to search things up properly without the issues, getting exactly what you need right off the bat. And if you're not already subscribed, subscribe, like, leave a comment, tell me future video ideas. And yeah, let's get the video rolling. Alright, for the first step, you're going to want to know how to search things up with just the words. Just words, what words you need to use, what words you're going to take out to get the most accurate search results in the less amount of time. Alright, so for example, you might want to use keywords. So for example, if you're going to do how to build a website in a short amount of time, no coding knowledge. I don't know, spell knowledge. No coding experience. So you're going to do that. And you're going to look here and you're going to go, well, five ways to build a website. So you might want more how to create a chatbot without coding. You don't want a chatbot. So you're going to want more different ways to create a website. So you're going to want maybe shorter words you might want to use. So for example, if you were going to come here and you were going to change this up a bit, you're going to want to look for the keywords that really you need. So how to is definitely going to be to those how-to websites. You're going to need those. Very, very important. Build is definitely one. No, we can get rid of that. And no, nothing. You can even get rid of two if you want. These small words you don't even need. I'll build. So you're gonna want to get rid of these like unimportant words. You're gonna look for the keywords. So you're going to want amount you don't really need. That's not really affecting anything. No. And then coding experience, that's gonna be hard to do, but you're gonna want to look at it. You're probably going to get results, and it's going to be hard if you say coding, because then they're also going to take that keyword in as yes. So by saying no in an online search is kind of has the opposite effect. It really doesn't help. Sometimes it brings you coding experience, and sometimes it ignores a no. So altogether, you want to get rid of that. You're just going to want to search for it yourself, because negative opposite effects really don't work with this. So how build website short time. That's what you're going to need. Search that up and look at that. So you're going to want to look at it, and yes, you're going to have C++, that's a coding language, but you're going to want to go over those, and you have different ones. You don't have those chatbots things. You have more relevant searches towards your subject. So yes, those are the keywords. You want to get rid of those different things that don't really matter. Like it's okay if it sounds choppy. You're not talking to a real person. And yeah, so that'll be done with that section. Alright, so for the second section, we're going to be going over some stuff that, like ads and everything, that you're not going to want to pay attention to. Like what to look for, what to really pay attention to, and what to ignore. Alright, so you're going to want to look at this. So we have our thing, how to build websites short time. So that's what we created last time in the last section. And now you're going to be searching things, and you're going to want to look for stuff to ignore. I see many people fall into this trap, never fall into it. Alright, so these ads, these Google ads, yes, people pay money, but they're usually not the best. Usually, the best words and everything, the best sites are going to be at the top without the ad thing. So you see those ads, report ad, you see that little thing. That tells if it's an ad, and it literally says it over here, ad. And then it has all this stuff. So you're going to want to ignore those ads entirely. Those ads usually aren't the best. Sometimes they might be, but generally, the first one's usually going to be what you want. Second one also, really going to need that first page, not the ads. The ads could be terrible. It's just money involved with Google. So yeah, I see many people fall into this trap. Don't do it. Don't be like those people. And that's things you should ignore. And then other things you should ignore is websites that aren't that good. And sometimes you want to decide what you need. So if you're going to follow a guide for website building, you could have a YouTube video or article. But if you're doing something like, for example, how to code something, you're probably not going to want a video for that. You might want documentation, copy and paste. So it's depending on what you want, you're going to look for, you're going to think about it before. It's really easy. It comes quicker as time goes on. Do you want a video with the subject you're doing? Like websites, it could be both. But no, how to build a website, usually you're going to want the straight website, like for example, Wix.com, stuff like that. You're going to want to go directly to that website, and they'll have tutorials for you there, and they'll probably have stuff for you there. So yeah, you're going to want to know what you need, know what to ignore, and yeah, it becomes a habit, and you'll be going with that in no time. So for the third section, we're going to be going over websites that are good, what websites you should pay attention to, how to find out websites that are good, and we'll be going over some browsers that really help with some accurate searches depending on what you need. Alright, so we have our how to build websites short time. We're ignoring those ads. Nope, no ads there. And no ads over there. And we're going to look at what we need. We're not really going to look at that. We might if we want some recommendations, but so I'm going to go over different websites that you should really pay attention to. So for example, if you are going to do how-to stuff, you might want to use WikiHow. WikiHow is very, very awesome website. Definitely use. Free website, 14 or so minutes, I don't know what they said. And they have all these different, just ignore the ads over there. But this is a very good website, solid, awesome website. Definitely use it. Definitely check it out when you're learning how to do something. Alright, so then there's other things you might want to use. For example, if you're going to do maybe a research paper or whatever, you're going to really want to use those good websites. And those websites can be hard to find. So, for example, I use SweetSearch. Search engine for students. If you want to learn like I don't know what you want to do, like you can do anything like World War II. If you're gonna look up something like that, they do have ads. You're gonna want to know those ads. That's how they make their money. But then they're gonna have these awesome websites that you're gonna use. After those ads, you have History.com, BBC, the best websites you're definitely gonna want. SweetSearch is the thing to go to. Definitely awesome. Definitely check it out. SweetSearch is amazing. You can do all these different things with it. If you're gonna want those student accurate searches. And yeah, and a common myth, very common myth, is Wikipedia. So many think Wikipedia is this terrible website. This website where, in case you never heard of it, it's a website. In case you have never heard of it, it's something where it's like this website, and you can have anybody can post information there. That's why people think it's bad, because anyone can change it. And yes, they might be right. They definitely can change it. But there's this thing called fact checkers there, and they check it, and it'll tell if a website's not fact checked. It's very good. Wikipedia is very good. Very plain though. Very just text, black and white. So you may not want to use it if you want a nice colorful experience, pictures, everything. You want to use different websites. So yeah, that should wrap up that section. Alright, so that should wrap up today's video. Hope you guys learned something from it. Learn how to search things properly online. It becomes a habit. If you stick with it, don't give up. I know it's hard to start, but if you stick with those 3 steps, you'll go far. You'll learn how to search things up accurately, easy, fast. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new. Comment some video ideas, really need them. And yeah, see you next time.